Hey YouTube, that Brady chick here. Okay. So I know I've been MIA for a little bit, and honestly, I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm in nursing right now. If any of y'all are nursing students out there or actively working nurses right now, you know how stressful this program is, okay? You know how stressful this program is. I barely even had time for myself. I didn't have time to breathe. This program is no joke. It really is very, very hard, but it's very, very rewarding at the same time. So can't really complain, I guess, but I'm complaining. Because literally, I cannot even exaggerate this. I spend 12 hours studying per day for the last 3 weeks. Don't ask me how. Don't ask me why. It just happened that way. It's paying off because I'm getting really, really good marks. And I think part of it has to do with the fact that I'm not working right now too, because you know, COVID took away most of our jobs, took away both my jobs. So without all those distractions, I guess I was able to just do better in school than I ever have, to be honest. Not that I was a bad student before, but back then I was an A- student, but now I'm an A and A+ student. So big difference there, you know? But anyways, this video is not about that. So, as you can see, my hair is in a protective style. Yes, it does look a little frizzy, you know what I'm saying? But my hair has been this way for at least 3 weeks because I don't have time for my hair during school. So I just have to like leave it braided, you know, put my little wrap on and just go about my day pretty much. But yeah, today was my last day of exams. Yay, finally! So this is Christmas break and I plan to wear my hair out a little bit at least because I have free time now, so why not look cute? Topic of this video is how to trim your hair while it's in braids. I'm gonna try not to take out the whole braid when I'm trimming it, but I definitely do need a trim. I don't know if you guys could tell, but there are some little bally split ends on the ends of my hair here. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. First of all, don't judge my hair underneath, okay? Because it's a little frizzy since it's been growing out for the last 3 weeks, you know what I'm saying? When you leave your hair alone, it will grow, especially if it's braided up or twisted up, whichever you want to do. Start with this one. Honestly, I don't think this one needs to be trimmed too much. It seems pretty okay. My hair definitely needs a trim all over, so I gotta find something. Not very much. I'm just trimming off the dead ends that I find. So just to break it down for you guys, what I pretty much do is I unbraid just the bottom portion of the braid itself. And then I kind of search for the split ends manually with my fingertips, as you can see here. And then once I find it, I pretty much just cut it right off, just like that. So this is pretty much the amount that I cut off from my ends in total. It's not very much, as you can see. And first of all, if this grosses you out, you're probably in the wrong place. Just saying. And always remember, natural hair grows. Don't you forget it. Bye.